Hello and welcome to the holiday edition of Business Morning on Channels Television. I'm Harriet Agbenyi. So there's a lull in financial activities as the markets are closed for the Christmas celebration. In fact, it's going to be a long holiday because the markets will also be shut on 26th to celebrate Boxing Day. But in a bit, I'll review trading activities from Wednesday at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. But at the currency market, the Naira hit a record low despite efforts last week to crack down on speculation by squeezing liquidity. On Tuesday, the Naira lost 1 Naira 15 kobo to the US dollar at the interbank forex market as market activity slowed for the festive celebration. At the end of midweek trade, however, the local currency closed at 185 Naira 5 kobo to the dollar. The Naira to the British pound sterling is 287 Naira 92 kobo, and to the euro 226 Naira 38 kobo. Well, the Yuletide season usually brings about changes in the price of items, of some commodities at this time. However, price of clothing at the Balogun market here in Lagos is greeted with mixed feelings. This is because, according to a survey done by our correspondent, Temple at Shaju, it shows that prices of children's garments remain unaffected by market forces, but prices of imported fabrics have increased.
Vehicular and human traffic on broad streets. The roads leading to the popular Balogun market on Lagos Island. The reasons behind these mass movements to the markets is the Yuletide season, which piles pressure on parents to buy clothing for their children. They explain how the price of children clothing remain unchanged.
I came to the market to buy my children Christmas clothes. The prices are, somehow normal, they're okay.
I bought some children's wear. I bought some slippers, some shoes. The prices are not really, there's not much difference in the price.
No, they are not so high. They are normal because there is not so much money. So you can see a lot of people that are bringing out their commodities to sell outside. Auction some of them. A gown before is 4,000. Now you can get it 2,000, 1,500.
The cost of everything is so high in the sense that people, no cash, but people force themselves to buy things for their children, for their loved ones.
We're begging before they will buy. We are begging them before you buy. But if not before, you cannot see it. You can't get a chance. Rushing everywhere. But now, no money.
While the prices of items in markets are determined by the level of patronage, traders will always have a way of deciding their prices based on their determinant factors.
The amount we purchase dollars now, it has gone up from 160, now presently today is like 194. So that has given an adverse effect on the purchase. Like some places for 5,000 before, they're selling for 5,500 now, or 6,000.
The way business used to be in the time past, this time you can't come in here. There we make sales till 7 p.m. Even ask some customer, come tomorrow. But nothing like that because things are very difficult.
It is clear that most of the items that have experienced no change in price are products that are locally produced. However, those that have seen an increase are mainly the imported fabrics. Temple Ashaju, Channels Television News.
Now, at the Mile 12 market, holiday shoppers have also begun to feel the effect of the CBN's devaluation of the Naira as the price of some food items like rice, beans and groundnut oil increased. Well, Bolaji Akinwale takes a look at some of these changes and now reports.
Last-minute shopping for the Christmas holiday at the Mile 12 markets in Lagos. Heavy vehicular and human traffic are regular occurrences here as commuters and shoppers find their ways through the market. Women with baskets of tomatoes trying to move their newly purchased wares to the various destinations. This season is usually characterized by lots of buying and selling, with its attendant increase in prices. Food items such as rice, beans, gari, and groundnut oil have all recorded changes in prices.
This is, we have 16,000, we have 20,000.
The devaluation of the Naira by the Central Bank of Nigeria was identified as one of the reasons, while food prices are on the rise, as consumers have to pay more for few items.
The price for 25 liters is 6,000.
It was formerly 5.8. There is devaluation of naira, so it affected our productions, and so coupled with the festive period.
Beyond the devaluation of the local unit, there is also a rising demand for food items and other consumables during the festive period. This is coupled with a high cost of transportation.
Normally, when it is festive period, you normally have price hike on everything, coupled with the exchange rates. So people will definitely capitalize on such things, and before you know it, the prices will be escalated.
Before the Christmas, we are selling the tomatoes, 1,300 naira per carton. When roan is 130, that is the carton price. But now we are selling 150 because the Xmas is outside.
Despite the economic challenges recorded during the season, the level of patronage seems not to have changed. Money has been made, and consumers plan to enjoy the season with family and friends. Bolaji Akinwale for Channels Television News.